Welcome to Janus Corporation's IIPP training on driving in cold weather. We have previously discussed what you should do to prepare yourself and your vehicle for driving in bad weather, driving in the fog, and driving in the rain. It has snowed in the San Francisco Bay Area and on the Grapevine already this year, though I don't know if there's been any snow near the San Diego area this year. It has snowed at elevations as low as 2,500 feet already this year, and winter has just started. Many of the same driving techniques as driving in the rain are used when driving in the snow and ice of winter. However, making a mistake or losing concentration while driving in snow or icy weather is much more dangerous than making the same mistake when roads are wet or flooded with water. As with rainy weather, avoid cruise control in ice and snow. Drive slowly. Always adjust your speed down to account for lower traction when driving on ice or snow. Accelerate and decelerate slowly. Apply the gas slowly to ensure traction and avoid skids. Take your time to slow down for a stoplight, traffic, or other reasons. Remember, it takes longer to slow down on icy roads. Increase your following distance to 5 or 6 seconds. Clear weather and clear roads, this distance is typically 2 seconds. Two common mistakes occur when driving in cold weather, even days after it has stopped snowing. 1. Not realizing that bridges will often be iced over even when the sun is shining and roads on the ground are already dry. This happens because the wind that passes over and under the bridge will make the road much colder than wind only blowing over the top of the road. Water under an overpass can freeze on the ground as well. Black ice looks like water on the road but is actually solid ice. This occurs when snow melts during the day, then refreezes at night, or under new snow during the day, or when temperatures drop. Black ice often fools drivers, even truckers who are trained to recognize and avoid it. Black ice often causes significant accidents because few drivers recognize it and slow down before reaching it. Thus, the accidents occur at full speed. Be prepared for slow going. Fill your gas tank before starting your trip. When possible, refill your gas tank before the tank is less than half full. This is vital if you end up in stop and go or completely stop traffic for any extended length of time. Non-alcoholic drinks and snacks in the car are a great idea. No matter how cold it is outside, never warm up a vehicle in an enclosed area such as a garage. This can build up dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. Check the weather along your route and if possible, delay your trip if bad weather is expected. Stay connected. Before hitting the road, notify others and let them know your route, destination, and estimated time of arrival. Don't power up hills. Applying extra gas on snow-covered roads will just make your wheels spin, potentially causing you to lose control of your vehicle. Unless necessary for safety, don't stop going up a hill. There's not much that is harder than trying to get moving up a hill on an icy road. Windshield wipers that are frozen are not flexible and will not provide a clean windshield to look out of while driving. Using your heater to defrost your windshield can help defrost your wipers as well. If you get stuck in the snow, stay with your vehicle. Your vehicle provides temporary shelter and makes it easier for rescuers to locate you. Do not try to walk in a severe storm. It is easy to lose sight of your vehicle in blowing snow and become lost. Don't overexert yourself. When digging your vehicle out of the snow, listen to your body and stop if you become tired. Be visible. Tie a brightly colored cloth to the antenna of your vehicle or place a cloth at the top of a rolled window to signal distress. At night, keep the dome light, or better, a flashlight, on if possible. It only uses a small amount of electricity and will make it easier for rescuers to find you. Be careful not to kill the battery of the car, making it impossible to start the car. Clear the exhaust pipe. Make sure the exhaust pipe can exhaust freely. It is not clogged with snow, ice, or mud. A blocked exhaust pipe can cause deadly carbon monoxide gas to leak into the passenger compartment of a vehicle while the engine is running. Stay warm. Use whatever is available to insulate your body from the cold. This could include floor mats, newspapers, or paper maps. Who has paper maps in today's world? Pre-pack blankets and heavy clothing to use in case of an emergency. Conserve fuel. If possible, only run the engine and heater long enough to remove the chill. Things to remember about driving in the cold weather. Gas your car before it reaches half full when headed into bad weather. Remember, bridges will be icy even when the sun is shining and the roads are dry. Never use cruise control when driving in freezing cold weather. Increase the distance between you and the car in front of you from 2 seconds for good weather to 5 or 6 seconds This is the time between when the car in front of you passes a stationary object and when you pass the same object. Do not speed up while going up a hill when roads are covered with snow or ice. Stay with your vehicle if stranded. Thank you for taking Janus Corporation's IIPP training on driving in cold weather. Please proceed to the quiz.